Hey everybody, welcome back to One Seed, One World. Haven't done a video in about a week, so I figured I would give you guys a quick update on what is going on. I will be doing, or my plan is to do a video tomorrow on a little bit of a garden tour to kind of show you the what's been going on in the garden, which is not a whole lot due to some weather issues. But today I want to talk about that we've started a little farm stand here at the homestead, like roadside stand. I've been building this farm stand over the past couple weeks as weather has allowed me to get out there and work on it. And the size of it is only 5 feet long by about 28 inches wide. And as you'll see here in these pictures, the framing and the little metal roof and stuff that I put on it, it's about 6 feet tall, a little over 6 feet tall. The one sketchy thing about it is it can be a little tippy if the ground's not level, and our driveway's kind of sloped, so rolling it up and down the driveway definitely takes two people to make sure that it rolls okay. But it's going to go to a permanent spot where it will be more secure in the front yard once I get the rest of it done. But this weekend we are doing a soft opening with the unfinished greenhouse and with some of the stuff that we have. So this weekend we are selling fresh baked soft pretzel bites that are sourdough pretzel bites that Mitsy makes that are just freaking fantastic delicious. She or we are only selling them on the day that she bakes them. So if there's any left over, that means I'll get to eat a lot more of them. But she sells them fresh baked, and there's homemade strawberry jam. And unfortunately, we don't have hardly any produce from the garden right now. I do have a bunch of yellow squash that I've got out there, some dragon tongue beans, and we're going to be looking at doing some fresh cut flowers. I have one eggplant out there right now. And then also a lot of this will be, there'll be sourdough bread that we've already sold before, and like gourmet chocolate chip cookies. Mitzi's also making some different kinds of homemade salves and like bug spray and that kind of thing that she's working on. So we'll be expanding our inventory over the next couple weeks as we get it more settled into its regular place. I get the doors on the front of it, and as she gets the things made. So while the YouTube channel is One Seed, One World, her branding for her stuff is under the Artsy Farm Girl. And we'll probably have some playlists over time of the farm stand and the Artsy Farm Girl stuff, because she also does pottery and stained glass, and then I also do woodworking, which will probably be under that a different brand name that will all be under the One Seed, One World umbrella. But we'll see how it all goes over time. Here we are, 4th of July weekend, so happy 4th of July to everybody. We're not getting a whole lot of traffic so far on this soft opening. We actually just had our first sale and sold some jam and some pretzel bites, but it's been pretty slow going. But we're doing an honesty stand. Now, we have been sitting out there today just because it's the first day or whatever, but we're doing like the honesty box, where we'll have a cash box where people can put in money that's secured inside of the stand, but then we also have the option for people to use like Cash App and Venmo. So we'll see how this goes. We're hoping that as things progress and we add more things, and as people become familiar with our spot and that these different kinds of things are here, that they like either the produce or the fresh baked goods or the jams or whatever, and that we can maybe start generating a little side income off of this to help cover stuff. But we needed to make a bunch of money to begin with, just to cover all the initial cost of me building the all the materials to build the stand, and then the labeling and jars and packaging and all that kind of stuff has to be covered as well. So we'll see how it goes. But just want to give you guys that update, show you our little stand, and I did not do a like full like step-by-step build of the stand, because I was kind of figuring things out as I was going along, and you know, mistakes were made as I went. There's definitely things I would change. And also, since I'm trying to figure stuff out as I go along, trying to set up camera shots or then changing things, it just doesn't work for me for making a YouTube video on that. But so I just kind of wanted to give you the basic overall size of the stand and show you some shots of it. So maybe that will, if you are thinking about building a farm stand, that maybe that will inspire you on maybe some things that you can do. We only have one shelf in there right now, but I'll be adding more along with front doors that will open and close and whatnot. So once we get to that part of it and get the whole thing stained and better decorated and it gets to its permanent spot, I'll do an update on how things are going from there. So that's the update on the new farm stand, and we'll see how it goes, and then look for my upcoming garden tour video, which I hope to film tomorrow morning. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me again today. Whatever's going on in your neck of the woods, I hope it's working out fantastic for you, and that you are having a great summer that hopefully is getting less rain and less extreme temperatures than we are here, than what's going on here this summer. So anyway, we'll see you guys again soon. Have a great day. Namaste.